So I measured ley lines in this kid's room first. You can see there are like 3 ley lines. This is one, just going past the bed, so the kid is not affected when he sleeps in the bed. Just waiting for the other 2 to show. Here are the other 2. One is going along the bed, and now I'm going to the to another room. Here is another ley line going down the corridor to another, and the couch is okay. There's no ley lines where they sit. So I'm going to another room now. I measured here, there's nothing. Here, there's a ley line here. And here it crosses the kitchen table. And there's another one where the people are sitting. So these are the ley lines on this floor. So you can see how the ley line is traveling directly where they're sitting. So now I'm going to I measured on the bottom floor. Here is another ley line traveling exactly where they sit. There's no other problems in that kitchen. Here, where the grandma is sitting, it goes directly where she sits, where she has her legs when she's watching TV. And this is the last floor where there's like here the husband and wife are sleeping, and the ley line is going directly through the person. I think it was husband, through his whole body when he sleeps. So I suggested to move the bed a little bit to the right to avoid that ley line on the left. There's still room here. They just move it to the right, and that's it. I'm going to another room. I didn't see anything here. There's a chair, there's somebody sitting, and here is another bedroom which was perfect, but there is like ley line going here where the person is sitting and working behind the desk. So I recommended that the person moves from this location. And yeah, that's practically the whole house. A lot of ley lines.